Welcome to Zape Learning App.
Hello, smart thinkers. Today, we're going to learn how to round numbers to the nearest 10. Rounding helps us find numbers that are easier to work with. Let's see how it works. Here's our number, 32. We want to round it to the nearest 10. So let's look closely and think step by step. In the number 32, the 3 is in the tens place, and the 2 is in the ones place. To round to the nearest 10, we look at the ones digit. That's the 2. Here's the rule. If the ones digit is 0 to 4, we round down. If it's 5 to 9, we round up. Since our ones digit is 2, we round down. So 32 is closer to 30 than to 40. When we round it to the nearest 10, we get 30. Great job rounding, number detectives. Just remember, look at the ones digit. Use the rounding rule, pick the closest 10. Now you can round numbers like a pro. Next time you see a number like 47 or 63, try rounding it. Ask, do I round up or down? Keep practicing, and keep rounding with confidence. Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning App now.